Hello, this is Andrew Chang. I'm going to show you how to upload your cargo database to CubeMaster with an Excel file. Before that, you have to prepare an Excel file which looks like this. You may see this is the head row, so it should have the name, description, quantity, length, width, height, and weight. So the following rows should have the data. So you may see I have a 10 record. After making this sheet, you have to save by pressing this button, and then now it has been saved to this file. So go back to the CubeMaster and move to Cargo's database, and then press Upload Excel file. Now this is the time to bring your Excel file. Just drag and drop on to CubeMaster screen. Okay, and then now it shows the upload was completed and 10 record has been imported. So that's it. So you may see we have the same information, but please note if you press this, you may see the description is a little bit different because something special letters were replaced or removed. Okay, now you are ready to use them. Just go to the simulation and press plus and bring database. Now you have it. So just click or double click or multiple select and pick demo and close it. Alright, now you can check everything is correct, and then you may want to bring the containers. Alright, so everything looks good, and press calculate. Now you have it.